festival compared to Bammy. Hi, I'm Debbie. Romeich Entertainment boss with lots to celebrate after his top act was signed by Interscope Records. But he's not happy with what's on offer for Shenseea, TJ and Ding Dong to do Reggaeton Fest. So none of them in the lineup for now.
US-based Jamaican music producer Russian zeroes in on dancehall diva Shenseea. Her boss Romeich searching for a deal that allows himself to play a significant role and has now signed off on one with Interscope Records. Your link to Interscope was Russian?
Yes. Russian.
And so what role does Russian play in this arrangement?
So basically Russian is the producer for Shenseea basically now, as well as he's part of the management as well.
Are you saying Russian is going to be calling the shots having to do with Shenseea's career?
Russian is one of the top producers, not only producer, he's very smart, he knows the business. A collaboration with Russian and Romeich Entertainment is very magical. That's the whole motion right now. It's not Russian only or it's not Romeich only, it's Interscope, Shenseea, Romeich and Russian. All four have a talk.
And what's the zone or the area that Russian has carved out for himself since moving to the States?
Russian
and obviously that was a smart move.
Yeah, he's a musical magician. Yes, he has mastered the Spanish and Latin American segment of the music, but now he's going into the American. He has a huge song releasing soon with Cardi B and some other names on it, as well as he has some huge songs releasing with Shenseea as well.
How is Shenseea's sound going to change?
Shenseea's sound, we're not going to change like the average musical person that come and, oh, we're going international, so everything is going to change. No. We're going to, you know, a lot of people don't understand that your structure of your music for the Caribbean is different from your structure for your music to America. Same as England is different from America. So yes, we have to structure the music to fit each audience and each location that we're going to, but she's not going to change. Shenseea is who she was, is who she will be, and who she going to be down in the future. She'll always be she. She knows nothing but to be she.
450 on the necklace. I know you like it rough, I get reckless.
A collab with Tiger, the first product of the Interscope deal. There must have been nervous moments, but when you heard the finished product, you liked it and you knew it was heading somewhere.
I didn't have no nervous moment. I just had excitement to just know that, you know, this little girl that was a promotional girl 3 years ago is going now on the verge of being an international superstar.
Romeich's camp also including TJ and Ding Dong, big names on the dancehall scene. But all three of Romeich's stars as of Tuesday this week not included in the lineup for Reggaeton Fest. Money the deal breaker. Romeich wanting more than Joe Bogdanovich is currently offering.
Growing up as a youth coming up, Reggaeton Fest and Sting was two of the biggest things. If you notice, the music has changed now, and I think the music is changing because of the management of anything that's huge. When people have a huge product, they don't utilize it well and they feel like they have more power. So using their power, they always push it up to people, and they don't understand that without the talents and the people of Jamaica, your brand is nothing. So basically, I really have nothing to prove. Reggaeton Fest, they didn't book any of the artists, my talents, which I don't understand how you say that's a platform that showcase to the world. But if you don't value my artists' talent as well as you don't value what they really value, I'm not going to do anything with you.
So you're saying the stumbling block, the obstacle was money?
Well, the basic is it. If you don't offer something good for my talents, I'm not interested.
There's no room for negotiation. At this point, if they change their offer, you would be favorable to jumping on Reggaeton Fest again?
At this time, if they change their offer, the offer is out for 2 artists because 2 artists has an international booking. But the main artist that I really wanted to do some fest was TJ, and he's not on it because if you notice, last year he came out as an artist that was new, and Reggaeton Fest performance is what attracted me to his career. So to know that he's not on it this year as a giant, because he's doing very well compared to last year to now, it's really, really sad.
Is TJ disappointed that he won't be on Sumfest, his home ground?
He's very, very disappointed. Very, very disappointed.
How would you sum up TJ's growth since he's been a part of your outfit, your team?
Rapid. He's a very good worker. He's filled with talent and his work speaks. From last year, September, we were signing to now he has more than 5 #1 songs. And we're not talking just some song where everybody jump up to. We're talking solid songs that we're getting dubs, bookings and all. You know, he's been doing it. He has grown.
So he's not going to be at Reggaeton Fest. You guys, in terms of Romeich Entertainment, will not be at Reggaeton Fest. How do you think that will resonate with the dancehall audience out there?
Boy, Reggaeton Fest, I forgot to fight them more. They booked my art, they booked my DJs. It's not like I have an issue with them. They booked Bishop Escobar and Antsman, but they did not book the 3 talents. They asked to book the 3 talents, and when I gave them their fee, they simply said to me they don't think my artists value that. So I took it very personal, and I just gave them a counter offer. They did not appreciate my counter offer. So that's just the end of the business, and all the best to Sumfest.
Joe Bogdanovich will just say, hey, we have the hottest DJs right now. We have the 6. We have Squash. Do we need
well, at the end of
some
the day,
of the other names that you're
Reggae Sumfest
talking
is not
about?
built up of 2 or 3 artists, right? That's the whole point of it. Yes, Squash and the 6, them hot. Everybody, the young talent them right now in the music is hot, but it's not the 6 alone hot. Romeich Entertainment hot. You understand? Enough other artists out there hot that is not on the show. I don't even know who they on Sumfest. Me only see Chronics, 6 them, Bujo, and Spice and Dexter that and Governor them. I don't know who else on it. I don't see a giant name when I say and say, yo, yeah, this look like it. But I just how them do them thing. Remember, say them say Sumfest is reggae and dancehall, but it just look like reggae to me this year.
But to be fair, you just mentioned some giants a while ago.
Yeah, but remember, if we can look at the lineup of Reggae Sumfest back then, we have 5 hours of non-stop giants. What we are going to do, only have 2 hours of giants? So from here, tell me, say from showtime, from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the morning, if you just sit down on my chair, look so, and I just, come on, Reggae Sumfest is the biggest and the best festival. So why you treat it like Bami?
Romeich Entertainment.
Is Romeich Entertainment in expansion mode? Are you looking to sign fresh talent, new blood?
I am not a person that basically go out and just say, yo, me I go get this, as in like a talent. I am a person that believe in energy. I believe in hard work. The thing is, if I see a talent and I respect that talent, and that talent don't have a manager, I'll think about it to work with them, but at the end of the day, I still have to do what's important. I have to make sure so that talent I add something to the team, as well as make sure that my 3 main talents will be comfortable with that person as well.
Was there a situation recently when you were on the verge of signing somebody but it didn't happen?
No comments.
Come on, say something. When have you run away from a question before?
No comments. What I can say, I just signed 2 more DJs. I just signed Fresh to Romeich Entertainment. That's DJ World Fresh from Ocherias. And then, you know, so we have to have a big DJ / artist from out of Moby again, Moby's son, which might be a surprise, but I just signed ZJ Liquid to the Romeich Entertainment team as well.
We know that once you kind of make a big production or a noise about something, the situation has the potential to change. On a scale of 1 to 10, what's the likelihood of TJ getting on Reggae Sumfest? Because Summerfest Productions has said, okay, we understand what the concerns are. We're going to put your DJ on.
It need him. So if them serious and really want to link with, we don't want a next headliner, TJ available.
ER understands the figure Romeich turned down for TJ to do Sumfest was $400,000.
And that's our show. Contact us at entertainment.report@televisionjamaica.com and follow us on Instagram at TVJ_ER. I'm Debbie. See you next time.